But what could happen in a co-parent household? Well, they're 9 times more likely to stay in school. We saw what happens, that they're X amount of times more likely to drop out of school when there's no dad there. They're 9 times more likely to stay in school. There's a higher graduation and employment rate. They're 20 times more likely to, 20 times less likely to end up in prison. We saw the incarceration rate. They're more likely to have access to economic and community resources. Well, now you have 2 parents. You might have mom a blue collar, you might have dad as a white collar, or vice versa. And now they have opportunity and availability to 2 different resources. 20 times less likely to have behavioral problems. We saw that in a momless home. We saw that where I don't know how to interact with others. I'm not going to be sociable. In a co-guardian household, they're more likely to develop social, emotional, and cognitive skills. Because now you have 2 parents working with them emotionally, working them cognitively, working them on their social skills. The stats. In a co-guardian household. So already we see the value in a co-guardian household versus a single parent household, right?